Hello, and welcome to Mystery Kitchen. In Mystery Kitchen, we basically explore the ingredients in our pantry and see what we can do with random stuff. Now, I have no culinary training and or experience, and my assistant here only knows how to cook in Northern Chinese cuisine. So this should be an interesting thing for us to do. So here are the things that I found in my kitchen. A graham cracker crust in a pie plate made by Keebler, which is made by elves theoretically. So,
what's that?
Do you know anything about that?
No. Nope.
Okay, well, it's made by elves. We also have some condensed milk. And we also have some cranberries. So we have some cranberries in its natural state in the can. You know, it's not like those,
Fresh.
Well, what?
Not fresh.
No, it's fresh. This is its natural state in the can. You know, you don't want to get those ones from the cranberry bogs, the wild ones, because you don't know where they've been. That stuff in the can, we can be pretty sure that's secure. And we have some Goya coconut milk. Ooh. So we're going to combine all of those ingredients and see what we come up with. And then we'll have a taste and let you know. So, moving forward, my lovely assistant will prepare the recipe to show you what to do if you want to replicate these findings. Pretty much, this is an experiment and not a very well thought out one. Any thoughts?
Yeah, just try it.
Okay, so we're going to fuck around so that you find out.
Look like a mashed potato.
Maybe we better check and see if that's good.
I think I need a spoon. Cranberry. This one down here.
Yep.
Eagle.
I don't know. What do you think? A full or a half?
I don't know. I don't know what's late.
Well, take a taste of that and see how sweet it is.
You taste. I never taste this. Enough?
No, put some more in, but taste it.
Enough?
I guess.
I think you can make it too high. Too
Well, how much do you think that is? A half, a quarter?
I think a half.
Okay, so that's about a half.
Yes.
Okay.
Need a mix.
Okay, try it again. Oh, okay.
You think we should make it slow?
Yes, originally.
Which one slow? At the beginning or?
Just push it up one.
Smells good. Do you think enough?
I guess.
I think good enough. Wash this.
Pull that pie apart.
We open this.
Mm-hmm.
Do we need the top later?
Maybe.
Also, maybe.
Well, we might need it to cover that pie.
Just dump in.
Yep, just dump it in.
You throw away the spoon.
Oh, don't put too much in.
Yeah, I don't know how much.
That's good.
Okay.
All right, we got a little extra.
Yes. Do we need a cover or just like
No,
this?
we're probably going to need to put it into the oven, but we're going to have to preheat.
Okay.
So, let's wait a sec. You pick up the pie, I'll open the thing. Stick it up there.
Do we need to put the top? No.
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 So, wait.
Probably 45 minutes.
Oh, is that? So we had to wait for the pie to cool. So we came out to a Chinese restaurant to have dinner, and then we'll have that pie for dessert. Okay, so the pie has been sitting for a while in the refrigerator to sort of firm it up. And it seems to have done a pretty good job, and that the pie is now like solidified. But full disclosure, okay, before any of this happened, I did some research and I was talking to the AI, and that's artificial intelligence. So I was talking to the artificial intelligence and I said, well, if you took these ingredients, would it taste okay? And the artificial intelligence said, sure. So we're going to find out whether or not it was lying. Now I'm going to take the cover off of this thing. And we're going to take our pie cutter. Or, I don't know, it could be a lot of things. But it's definitely will cut pie, meat, and you could probably use it in a Klingon blood feud. Just, saying. So let's cut a piece out. Oh, it is definitely gushy in there. All right, we're going to go for a thin piece, and hopefully I don't cut my arm off. Okay, apparently I am not very good at cutting pie. And that's stuck. Uh-oh. Okay, so
Oh
now,
my God, you make a messy.
yeah, so you know, we had a little technical difficulty getting it out of the pie pan, but I think maybe it's because I maybe overcooked it. Now, I cooked the pie for 45 minutes at 375, so you might want to like cut down on the time a little bit, but it's all in the tasting. So, have a taste, dear.
I'm nervous to taste.
Oh, just a little one. Well, what do you think?
Not bad.
Okay, let me have a taste of this then. Yeah,
It's good.
it's not bad. It's sort of creamy and
Sweet.
sweet. Has a, you know, without even adding any sugar, it's sweet. But I think it's rich, and it would probably make a pretty good holiday dessert. Although it's not pretty looking, but what are you gonna do? It doesn't taste too bad, so I guess the AI wasn't lying. Although I can't trust a machine's tastes, because I don't think they can taste. For the most part, that turned out pretty well, I think. It was tasty, it could be used as a dessert, and you could try this at your next holiday gathering. From the Mystery Kitchen, as always, we say, fuck around and find out.
Oh my.
Next time on Mystery Kitchen, we try to figure out what to do with this ham bone. So till next time, you all have a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and, you know, have a wonderful, prosperous life. Right?
Yes.
All right.